Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your lady boss Jessica returning for another video. So for today's video, I'm gonna make a working table, two working tables, because my working force is already growing and I need two working tables. But before that, I'm gonna buy the raw materials. So come and join me. Let's go.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love.
I'm here. So let's buy now.
A few moments later.
난 많은 월요일 내 세상 너를 보면 가슴이 뛰어올라 눈부신 미소 속에 빠져들어 음악에 맞춰 춤을 춰 바람 속에 너와 나 둘이서 환상의 불빛으로 빛나는 밤 손을 잡고 세상을 날아 우리만의 무대 이 순간 바람 속에 너와 나 둘이서 just wanna feel your love. I just wanna know how you feel, baby. I just wanna go where your love take me. I'm losing my sanity, you taking me under. For you I surrender, you're making me land on other side of gravity. Boy, you got me under. Boy, you got me fond of. Yeah, boy, you got me in love. I can't ignore it. I wish you noticed me. I wish you knew the emotion provoked in me. Let me live.
Basically, for the next table, I just repeated the same process, but this time the table I made was smaller.